Let's take that the third question. 2x square minus 19x plus 35. You are asked to factorize this one and find the value of x. Multiply the last two terms. You learned this kind of questions. When you multiply these two, what is the product of 2 times 35? 2 times 35. I did not. 35? Yes, I did not get any reply.
2 times 35.
70. Yeah, close. So here the product is positive 70x square. Right? I wrote the product as here as positive 70x square. Once again, I am copying the same question here. May I have all of your attention, please? The question is 2x square minus 19x plus 35. Here, in step 1, take the product of the last two terms. May I have your attention, please? Please. Thank you. Here, product is 2x square and again 35. When you multiply, you got positive 70. Now you have to split the middle term. Let me start with 1. 1 plus what number gives me 19?
18.
Okay. When I multiply these two, 1 and 18, will I get 70 or not? No. So let me try with 2. 2 plus what number? 17. 2 times 17. You can make use of the calculators if you want. 2 times 17 is 34. Then 3. Observe the pattern that I'm increasing by 1 here and I'm decreasing by 1 on the other side. So what number comes here? 16. 3 times 16 is 48. You can make use of the calculators. Then 4 times 15 gives you 60. Then 5 times what number? 14. If you want, check it on the calculator. 5 times 14 gives you 70. Anyhow, there is a negative sign. So I am taking negative 5 and negative 14. So when I add these two, when I take the sum of these two, it is 19, and when I multiply these two, I get the product as 70x square. Negative times negative is positive. 5 times 14 is 70x square. So let me bring down this 2x square and plus 35 here. Well, can you see something same in the first two terms? X. If I pull x, what is left here? 2x, because x square means x times x. One x is pulled out, then the second x remains here. Minus already x I pulled here, so if x is pulled, what is left means 5. Okay. I appreciate most of you are following, just 1 or 2 are not following. It's for your sake. Please pay attention. Okay. The best part of this question is you can repeat the same. You copy the same here, 2x minus 5. Copy the same here, 2x minus 5. Whatever you got here, the same thing is copied here. Now, can you guess? Yes, 1 times 2 is not 14, 2 times 2. So just you think with what number you have to multiply with 2x so that you get negative 14x. So well said. If I take 7 times 2 is 14x, but there is a negative sign. So please take a negative sign here. Now let me check. 7 times 2, it is 14x negative. Well, then 7 times 5, it is 35. Negative times negative makes positive sign. Any questions about this? Okay, now, do you see something same once again?
X's.
Uh,
2 and 5?
Very good, it's not 2 and 5. We'll say that 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5, it's same. So, if I copy that, if I take this 2x minus 5 as common, then notice that this one is already taken. If I hide this part, what is left here? If I take 2x minus 5, what is left here? X. Well, then in the other parenthesis, x is copied. If 2x minus 5 is taken, if this one is, if I'm hiding this one, it's negative 7. Not 7, it is negative 7. So, negative 7 is equal to 0. Already in the previous question, I explained that it is the, we came to the end of the question, please. Here, there is a product of 2x minus 5 times x minus 7 equals 0. So, it could be 2x minus 5 is 0 or x minus 7 is equals 0. If you have 0 here, the product of the product of these two equals 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. Now I don't want negative 7 to be here. How will you eliminate? Positive 7. So when you strike it off, you are left with the positive 7. And here I don't want negative 5. So what will you do? Add 5. Okay. Then I'm left with 2x is equals to 5. What is the next step? Division by 2. Okay, so 5 over 2. If you want, you can louder please. It is 2.5. It is not 2.1. It's 2.5. So it's 2.5. If you are not sure of your answer, you got x is equals to 2.5 and x is equals to 7. If you are not sure, what you can do is you copy the question, that is 2x squared minus 19x plus 35. Use your graphing calculator. I'm taking your graphing calculator. Let me take y is equal to, first clear it. Then the question is 2x squared minus 19x plus 35. Thank you for supporting. Can I expect some silence, please? Yeah, thank you. Okay, here you see that this point is between, see this is 1, 2 and 3, it is in between. So I would say that 2.5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2.5 and 7. If we go back to the question again, it is, you can see that at the end, at the bottom, you got 2.5 and 7. So your answer is perfect.
Okay.
Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Any of you want me to repeat it again?
No.